Hi everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make home DIY lemon oil and orange oil. For this natural DIY oil, we need oranges and lemons. These are the lemons and the oranges I'll be using for this natural oil. I only need the skin of the oranges and the lemon. I will go ahead to wash the fruit thoroughly, and I'll be using the white vinegar to wash the fruit in order to remove any potential bacteria from the skin, since I'm using the skin for the oil because I don't want the oil to be contaminated with any bacteria. Or I'm showing this process in order to see how to clean our fruit thoroughly. After adding the white vinegar, we can leave the fruit in water to soak for like 5 minutes in order for the fruit to be well clean. This is it after it has been washed and dried up with kitchen tissue. I will continue to grate the lemon skin. I only need the yellow part. I will be careful not to grate the white part. It's only the yellow part that I need for the oil. I don't want the white in it. This is how it looked like after grated the lemon skin. Here's my container. I've already washed it with hot water because I don't want any bacteria in this oil. So I will go ahead to add the lemon set in it, then I will add the olive oil to it. So this is my olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, organic. So I will add it to it. You can use any oils of your choice. You can use coconut oil or almond oil, but I'm using olive oil. So I will mix the mixture together thoroughly. If you are making these lemon oils or orange oils for your own use and you need it immediately, you need it so quick, so at this point you can use a double boiler method. So by putting this bottle of mixture in the hot water to allow it to heat for like 10 to 15 minutes and bring it down to cool down. Don't need it quick the time I was making it, so I cover it and put it somewhere for 3 days because I want the lemon skin to be well infused in the olive oil. So I also add a little bit more olive oil to it to have enough oil, but the oil is not too much, just to cover the lemon skin. So I drop it and keep it somewhere for 3 days. I also use the same process I use for lemon for orange also, since both are citrus fruit. So now let's talk about benefits and uses of this orange oil and lemon oil. Natural lemon oils and orange oils are good for natural skin care due to the antioxidant and vitamin C property found in citrus fruits. Lemon oils and orange oils are common ingredients of many beauty skincare products because it has many healing properties like curing, cracking, and dry skin. It also helps to slow down the aging process. How to use this home DIY oil? Any of this oil helps to prevent acne because it has vitamin C property. You can also use lemon oil and orange oil in your home DIY body soap, body lotion for lightening and glowing skin. So over here, this is how it looked like after 3 days. So this is the after 3 days I've left the lemon skin and the orange skin in the olive oil. So I will strain the oil from the lemon seed. I will also do the same to the orange seed also. This is how it looks like after 3 days. You can get your natural lemon oil or orange oil through 2 process, which are steam process. This is when you use double boiler method, and the other process is cold press method. So this process I'm using is cold press method because I allow the mixtures to stay for 3 days. Which I love the process so much. So this is the after I strain the oil from the mixture. So I get my container, and then so this is how it looks like. So right here we get our natural essential lemon oil, organic lemon oil. So I will also go ahead to strain the orange oil, so to get the oil from the orange skin. So this really look fresh. I'm going to strain it again in order to remove any particles. So as you can see what I have at the end. So guys, if you are still watching to this moment, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are watching me for the first time, my name is Adiola Super. I welcome you to my channel. I hope you stay. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and on your notification bell. So guys, this DIY natural lemon oil and orange oil. So thank you so much for watching. Till you see me in my next video. Bye.